Good morning, good morning, good morning, or good afternoon, good evening, good time of day whenever you're watching this video. I am coming to you because the Sister to Sister Retreat registration ends this Friday. If you don't know, my name is Stephanie Tellis, and I am the founder and principal consultant of the Anti-Bias Educator. The idea for the retreat came from a very personal place and space and a need that I wasn't having fulfilled when I was in the classroom to be around other Black women who worked in education, whether as teachers, administrations, counselors, um, working with adults, whatever it might be, as long as um, you're working to help other people advance themselves and learn. I just wanted to be around you all, right? Like that's really where the impetus of the retreat came from. I believe Black women are unique in our ability to navigate life because sitting at the intersection of race and gender, we experience a lot of things and have a unique perspective to offer in the world. And oftentimes we give our resources to others and we don't take that same time and invest in ourselves. So that's where the whole idea of the retreat came from. Um, I'm super excited. It's going to be March 25th to 27th, right outside of the Baltimore area. And I do really hope that you are able to join us and come. If you've been looking for a sign, you've been waiting and waiting and waiting, like, I don't know. This is your sign, sis. Like, if you don't take the time to pour into yourself, you can be of no use to anyone else. Oftentimes, the Black women, we put our needs last. We put everybody else in front of us, and we figure out a way to survive. And I don't want to survive anymore. I want to thrive. That's what I want. And that's what I want for you too. So I sat down on the floor this morning. It is 7-ish somewhere uh, around that time. And I just wanted to have a moment of transparency, y'all. It's been wild. It has been wild. When I planned this retreat, this was the only thing on the calendar. I was like, we good, we cool. My husband's birthday is the week before. All that will be taken care of. This will be a great copacetic time. Let me tell you all the things that have happened since then. I had to have my gallbladder removed. I'm still in recovery from that. We bought a house. On our first bid, it was accepted. Like, so I didn't think we'd be moving this fast. Uh, my car needs like thousands of dollars of work. I just found out yesterday. So when I say life comes at you fast, it comes at you fast and it feels like it's all happening at once. So in all the madness that is, if we don't take time to intentionally care for ourselves, connect, restore, rebuild, um, just pause, right? Because it's just so much that's happening on a global stage, on a national stage, on a personal stage. You know, when do we refill? We can't pour from an empty cup, right? And I'm tired of taking what little I have and pouring it out into everyone else. So that's why you need to be at this retreat, sis, is to have a chance to have your cup refilled, right? And then you can do with it whatever you choose to. If you choose to give it to other people because you are sitting in abundance now, then yes. But don't miss out on this retreat, sis. We are going to have a wonderful time. All the information about the retreat is below. Please let me know if you have any additional questions. I'm looking forward to spending time in community with you. See you on the 25th.